Okay, first Wicken Windmill. We have all 6 machines working inside. So there's our Dave waiting to show us around.
Hello everybody.
The noise you can hear is our bonker, or jogger scree. Thanks Dave.
With some of the last load of meal just working its way out on the floor.
And then we have a wire machine.
Yep.
Okie dokie Dave, thank you.
Tail end. There we are. There's a bit of bran in there. It's just fed it with some meal.
There's just enough wind to turn everything at the moment. She's obviously not going flat out. And some of the results from the centrifugal dresser on the next floor, which we'll go and have a look at now.
The whiter stuff is on the left. Look at that.
It's working.
It is working.
After you, Dave.
To be finished with next year.
Okie dokie, sir. Let's wander up. So far 2 machines. And then I'll move across to the centrifugal dresser. Needs a bit of refining, but we're getting there with that. And that's what's making all the noise for the bonker. Drive for the bonker. Dave, it's been good enough to do the sack hoist. Thank you. So now that's 4. We've had the wire machine, the bonker, the centrifugal dresser, and the sack hoist. And then we go up to the stone floor. On the stone floor, both sets of stones running, one with organic spelt, the other with organic Paragon wheat. And through the mucky windows, looking out over Wicken Fen, so there you have it, 6 machines working in unison at Wicken Windmill. How happy are we?
We're working melons.
How happy are we? Fabulous, Dave.